up, everybody?
Hi.
Hi.
What's everybody doing? How's
I
everybody
don't know
feeling?
what we're doing, Mom.
How you feeling?
Feeling good.
All good?
Bad.
Hi, Phoenix. So, what is today?
It's
Thursday.
Thursday.
No, it's not. We're going to go to the grandpa's house, right?
Yeah, you can be dropped off there. So, it is cruise day, and you see we got all the crap in the back.
very neatly organized, I may say.
What?
And the kids. And, you guys thought I was going to say, and the suitcases this time. Thought I'd be nice this time. But, anyway, we are on our way to the port of
Tampa.
to get on,
Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas.
which I have been on, by the way. But this was back in 2007, so it's been updated since then.
Oh, wow. That's when I was born.
Yes, it was. Good observation there, Sherlock. And we also have Penny, who is between my legs. All right.
Her second favorite spot.
Yes.
It's out on the floorboard of the car to the seat in the car.
Yeah. All right, guys. We're gonna grab some breakfast and head on to the port of Tampa. We will see you guys in a bit. Y'all. Alright, we are in the parking garage. Kids are there, and Penny's there, and Phoenix is there, and our ship, you can see it right there, peeking through. Alright, so this is actually where we parked last time when we came to Tampa on the Carnival Paradise. So this is we had a good experience last time, so hopefully it'll keep up, right?
Yep.
Alright, so we're gonna start.
We do have to get going.
Yeah, we're gonna start.
It's a little short.
Yep, so we're gonna start walking, and
Get your bags, we gotta go.
we'll probably see you on the ship.
I know.
Walking onto the ship anyway. Alright guys, talk to you. What's up everybody?
Bye.
Alright, we finally got through the Port Authority and we are boarding Serenade of the Seas. And Penny has done great. Phoenix has done great. So, yeah. We're getting on. There we go. With me. Oh, it's okay. There we go. It's doing great.
Ladies and gentlemen, please have your barcodes ready for us. We're going to stand you into our ship. Yeah. Is that right?
That's right.
Fantastic. I'll be with you every minute. You buy me a drink if you see me. Good.
That's if we see you.
Yes.
Alright.
Good morning.
Morning,
everyone.
Here we go. Penny's first time on the ship. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Here we are. Welcome aboard Serenade of the Seas. They have to scan our barcode, so we'll catch y'all in just a bit. Alright guys, the first thing we did when we got on board, we had to find the doggy potty, which is right here. Deck 5 forward on the starboard side. So just wanted to know where it was, tried to let the dogs use the bathroom. They weren't interested right now, but that's understandable.
Hi.
Caitlin. Port of Tampa. In one of the videos that I had watched, where the doggy potty was back that way, but they moved it here. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know where a service dog uses the bathroom on a cruise ship. Alright guys, we're going to start exploring and we'll catch y'all in a bit. What's up everybody? So the horn just sounded and we are disconnected and pulling away from Tampa. Bye bye Port of Tampa. We'll see you in 7 days. And the ship in front of us is a previous friend of ours as well, to Serenade of the Seas. Because Serenade of the Seas is a previous friend of mine. Carnival Pride is sitting in front of us. And that is a former friend of ours as well. Last time we seen the Carnival Pride was in the Baltimore port. And that was actually the kids and Heather's first cruise.
This one's Penny. This one's Phoenix.
So we are officially pulling away. Serenade of the Seas, Western Caribbean. Here we come. Cozumel, first stop.
I feel like I'm not working right now, Mom. I want my phone.
Alright guys, we are in the middle of the sail away party. For lack thereof, I reckon. Walking toward the aft of the ship. You can see the Carnival Pride still sitting back there. And go by the basketball court here and check out the rock climbing wall. Alright, there is the rock climbing wall, and on this bridge that goes right over the basketball court, and we got the water slide splash area for the kids. Then you got the golf course for the mini golf in the aft. All right, how are you? Of the ship, which looks really cool. That guy's tall. But yeah, looks pretty cool. Walking toward the aft of the ship. Right, so the golf course for the mini golf just goes around, so that's pretty cool. And you know, I was just thinking, that's nice, but it's not a whale tail. But you got the crown and anchor on the side of it, which is pretty cool by itself. You know, this was one of the ships that really got me into cruising, and now there's more music, but I just wanted to let everybody know that I am still very impressed with a 20-year-old ship, Serenade of the Seas. Just doing some more exploring. I found Challenger's Arcade, some shuffleboard, lots of lounge chairs that I guess they use or don't use, not sure. I just love it. You know, the ship has a special place. You know, it was the third cruise ship I've ever been on, actually second cruise ship I've ever been on. So it does have a place in my heart. First Royal Caribbean ship I've ever sailed on. So that's the little history behind me and this ship. I was on it in 2007, and of course it had an update in 2012, so things have changed. Some things I'm not real happy about, but there's some buffet seating, which is nice. There was a little restaurant. It's like a lunch spot, and it was quick, easy, before Izumi came in and took it over. But it was really nice. They did hot dogs and burgers and french fries and everything like that. But this is where I hung out back in 2007. This was one of my favorite spots, but now it's a paid venue for Izumi, so that's a little sad. So anyway, I'm gonna go check out some more. Check out the skyline of Tampa real quick as we continue to pull away from Tampa. We should be hitting the Skyway Bridge right around sundown. So, and just to keep in mind, the captain usually times that pretty well. That way you get to see the pretty lights on the Skyway Bridge. So there's a small little airstrip right here. Private airplanes. See one airplane already on the runway. Looks like it's going to get ready to take off. It's pretty cool. It's a small private ran airport. Pretty cool. Looks like another plane is ready to go. Got some loos out there on the pontoon. They're getting it. Seeing if these planes would take off. I don't know, they might have to wait for the ship to pass. These pontoons are coming in hot. probably what it is. They can't see past the ship to make sure there ain't no planes coming in. Try to catch this one taking off. But this is going to take too long. I don't feel like sitting around for it. But anyway, continuing on. Alright guys, here is the upper glass area of the solarium. And yeah, I still don't know why they have the roof closed. I don't know. Oh well. Alright, back in the room. And I'm pretty sure if we walked to the aft of the ship, we would see that the Pride is trailing us. But we're just cruising right along. I'm going to catch the sunset up there right in front of the ship. Heather, what?
Huh?
What did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Did you say you were cold?
It was a cold chill, so yes.
Oh my god. She thinks it's cold. It is actually really nice, like 79 degrees I think the TV said. So, but this view, I love it. This never gets old. Alright y'all, we are in aft of the ship. Nice aft. Right behind the rock climbing wall, smokestack, the crown and anchor tail. I don't know what else to call it, crown and anchor tail, because it's not a whale tail. So we're coming up on the Tampa Sunshine Skyway Bridge, and we'll get the views from right here at the smokestacks, the rock climbing wall. Check it out. Alright guys, here we go. Last time we seen this was on the Carnival Paradise back in 2019. The horn. Usually this bridge is lit underneath, but not tonight. That's okay. Still looks pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. There it is. The Tampa Sunshine Skyway Bridge. One of the main attractions leaving the Tampa port. There it goes.
I don't know if Dwight showed his, so this is mine. It's a stir fry, and I have to taste it. If it's really, really good, I have to show you who made it. But you add the ingredients yourself, and he makes it for you. So that's Dwight's. So again, I don't know if he showed you, but this is mine. I'm about to try it, and I'll let you guys know. Bye.
What's up?
Bye.
What you doing?
We just came back to the room to relax.
So, did you enjoy dinner?
I did.
So,
I did like a stir fry thing, and he like made it, and I went to go back to like see him, but he wasn't there. Somebody else was there, but it was really, really good.
you enjoyed it.
Yes, and we got to talk to a lot of people, and I really enjoyed just meeting the people and talking to them. We met Dave and Dina and Justin and Taylor.
You're better with names than I am.
I'm sorry if I butchered any of those. But we actually did get to talk to them for a while.
You know who you are.
Yeah.
So, and got to hand out our business cards. That was cool.
And it's funny because those two sets of people actually live in the area of like where we are.
Yeah. So that was fun. But yeah, after that we ate and came back to the room and kind of was just laying here. It's like, don't feel like really going anywhere.
The dog's like passed out.
Yeah, first of all, I can only show you one dog. That's Phoenix. She's passed the F out. Penny is where?
Under the bed. She wasn't under the bed.
She wasn't. Then all of a sudden she went under the bed.
She saw that she could, and that's where she kind of just
I think that's
out.
what it is. She kind of peeked her head under, like, I think she was looking for something, and she realized it was open under there. So...
But she does that at home,
Yeah.
so that's kind of her thing.
Yeah.
It's
But
what it is.
we're training the dogs to respond to our room here as, let's go to the room.
Find the room.
Find the room. And
Phoenix is great
Phoenix
at
is
finding the room.
getting really good at it, and Penny, she stopped at it, but then started to keep on going. So, but they'll have it by tomorrow, guaranteed.
Well, Phoenix
They both
multiple times already took me to the room.
They both used the doggy litter box on board.
Phoenix was like...
Phoenix
okay, whatever.
made herself at home with that thing. We'll go with that. And I will say it's really different traveling on a cruise ship with your service animals, your service dogs. It's fun having them, but yet they're like kids, and you got to make sure that you take them to the bathroom
And
all the time.
constantly make sure, like,
And here's the other thing.
people don't mess with them and stuff. And
So you already had one person just come up and...
yeah. So, for the most part, people just generally were like, oh, they're so beautiful, they're so cute, look at the dogs, oh, I miss mine, like, all that kind of stuff, and it's just like, thanks, okay, cool, they do their thing. A couple that we talked to, they rescue animals too, so it was kind of like we got to talk to them about that and stuff like that, and
Yeah,
I
had to break up that conversation because we were hitting that Skyway Bridge.
Yes,
But they were cool people.
Phoenix is actually, she knows the Say Hi command, so that will like vest off and everything, and it'll give her the opportunity to say hi to people. So and I'm doing that because I really want her to be able to go to the hospitals and let the kids read to them or whatever. But but so she got to be petted a couple times per my allowing. One of them was one of the officers. He was just kind of walking around, and he remembered their names.
Yeah, that was earlier
cool.
today. That was the first officer they met on board when we got on.
Like, he specifically saw them, and he came over and was like, hi there, they're so cute, and it makes me want to miss my dog. And he was telling us about it and everything. I was like, would you like to pet her? He goes, yes. So I was like, okay, cool. So, yeah, but it was really cool. But one person just randomly came up and was like trying to pet, and I was like, no, and he kept doing it, and I kind of like just.
It was kind of real quick, but
yeah,
something we're gonna have to be more vigilant with.
But I was proud of Phoenix because she didn't even like break stride.
Yeah.
She just kind of like allowed and went on. Like she didn't stop moving or anything. She just.
But she shouldn't. She just should keep on going. She wasn't distracted. And
that's
the problem
good.
when you distract a service animal. You know, they can go away from what they're actually there to do.
Correct. So that's why there's a no petting policy.
Yeah. So
she did really well.
She did, and you know they both did great on Embarkation.
Amazing. Everybody was so impressed with them.
Yeah.
Just from getting out of the car in the garage all the way through until the time we just literally walked in the room. Everybody's so impressed with them and how amazing and quiet and good they are, and just like obedient and
taken care of.
Yeah. One person was like, "How do you take care of them?" We're like,
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's funny. But yeah, they did great. I'm really impressed. You know, Phoenix, I didn't really, fear that she'd have a problem. It was more Penny, because Penny's a little bit more scarce, especially when it comes to crowds. But
Phoenix,
she did awesome.
Phoenix likes people, and if somebody, this is why it's so important not to distract the service, because if somebody does call her, she will look.
Mm-hmm.
She'll usually continue in her stride, but it's that I was afraid that everybody was going to start talking and she'd be like, and totally lose focus.
But she did very well.
But she didn't. Not once. I mean,
we were looking for a seat in the buffet for lunch, and we circled that thing probably about 4 times, and they did awesome walking through the crowd. And the reason why we circled it 4 times because we could not find a seat, and we just said, "F it, we'll come back." So we went back later, but
yeah.
But yeah, it was a great, successful first day. Tomorrow we're at sea, and we're gonna try to do some more exploring of the ship.
Yeah.
Phoenix is dreaming.
She is.
Come on, twitch. She was twitching.
She is.
Okay. But anyway, we're going to try to go out and do some more exploring of the ship, but we're exhausted. We woke up early today to get up to Tampa. So, yeah, we're exhausted. Kids are out somewhere, probably at the kids' club or something. But Caitlin and Casey are in the same club.
Yeah.
So
actually, I think they went to the dining room.
Yeah, that's right. They went to main dining.
Yeah.
They like doing that, so be it.
Whatever floats their boat.
Yeah, I mean, that's literally what you do on a cruise. You do what you want. That's always been our family motto. When you're on vacation, you do what you want.
Pretty much.
You know, if somebody else wants to join you for it, great. If not, go do your own thing.
Like earlier, I stayed here because I didn't feel like going out, and he went out for a little bit.
Yeah, I went out and got some video, so you guys can have some. But anyway, like I said, this one, just Embarkation Day. It was very hectic, but very proud of the dogs, and so far so good.
Not really hectic. It was
just hectic to everything.
Exhausting.
Yes.
That's more of a better word.
I guess that's probably a better word.
Hectic seems more...
But the port was great. Tampa port, once again, Embarkation, we had no problem last time we were in Tampa for Embarkation, and again with this time, Embarkation, flawless. And this was the Royal Caribbean terminal, where last time it was a Carnival terminal. Come to find out, the Pride is also going to Cozumel. They'll be an hour behind us, so they will be following our tracks the whole way, our waves the whole way, shall I say. So we'll see the Carnival Pride in Cozumel. It's somewhere back there. I don't even see the whale tail, but it's an hour behind us. I think they left at 5, we left at 4.
Oh.
But anyway, we will catch you guys tomorrow. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get all of our latest and greatest. And what else should you do?
Follow us on Facebook. Oh, give us a thumbs up.
Give us a
like
big,
those thumbs.
Yeah, we love thumbs. Give us a big thumbs up. Also, you can follow us on Facebook.
Leave a comment too.
Yeah, we like comments. We'll even respond. Hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at UsandMoreYT. Also, we have a Facebook group page, the Us and More Extended Family page. Can you remember it from the Carnival Horizon?
Yes. Facebook.com/groups/UsandMoreYT.
She still remembers it, y'all. Good job. Alright, guys.
Alright, this is Us and More.
Living life to the fullest. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. It's a sea day.